How do I check if my phone is currently roaming?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through the process of finding out whether your smartphone is currently set to roaming. This knowledge can be particularly handy, especially when you're traveling internationally, to avoid unexpected charges on your mobile bill. So, let's dive right into the process.
What is roaming?
Roaming is a term used in wireless telecommunication that indicates a mobile device is outside the geographical coverage area provided by its original network. This typically happens when you are traveling abroad. While roaming, your device uses a different network, often resulting in additional charges. Hence, checking if you're roaming is important to avoid unexpected expenses.
Checking roaming status on Android phones.
If you're using an Android phone, you can check your roaming status by following these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Connections or Network and Internet. The wording might differ based on your Android version. 3. Here, you'll find Mobile Networks. Tap on it. 4. Inside the mobile networks, you should see an option labeled Data Roaming. 5. If the toggle next to Data Roaming is switched on, it means your phone is set to roam.
Checking roaming status on iOS devices.
For iOS device users, here is how you can check if your phone is roaming. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your region. 3. Then tap on Cellular Data Options or Mobile Data Options. 4. If the Data Roaming option is switched on, your iPhone or iPad is set to roam. Remember, the fact that your device is set to roam does not necessarily mean that it is currently roaming. It simply means that your device has the ability to roam when out of its home network. To confirm if you're actually roaming, check for indicators such as R or roam on your network signal bar or check with your network provider. There you have it, folks. Now you know how to check if your smartphone is set to roam. Remember to always double-check your roaming status, especially when traveling, to avoid those unexpected bills. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and see you in our next video. Stay connected.